All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Chrysler 300. It is the 300C all-wheel drive, this beautiful silver with black leather interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, got panoramic sunroof, navigation, heated seats, super nice. Front bumper looks great. Your hood looks good. Your fender here looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice anti curbing. And your tire. There it is. 5:30 seconds. Let me double check it. That's correct. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter does have a dent. Right here looks about 2 inches. And here's your rear driver's side rim. Very nice anti curbing on that one. And your tire thread. It is at 9:30 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. It's pretty good. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, or rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Let me jump in here, turn it on for you guys so you guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. It does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Turn on the lights. Got your heated seats right there, as you can see, the first display that shows up. Got your Navi system. Boom. Heated seats, vented seats as well. You got heated steering. Got your radio, AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You get your AC controls right down below. Dual AC controls. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 36,907. Pretty much completes the tour. Turn on the lights. Turn on the fog lights. Keeping it moving. It's a trunk button. Boom. Well, of course, here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest and cup holders. And back here, we do have rear heated seats and your rear vents. Of course, that's your sunroof there. But of course, it's closed. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Has some slight scuffing on this chrome here, but it's not touchable. It's just there. You can't feel it. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools. There's I did tuck away your owner's manuals, and you got your little netting back here. Quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice anti curbing. Your tire thread here is at 10:30 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger seat. The other side of it, no holes, no tears, no rips. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Here's a powered seat as well. Fender here looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread is at 9:30 seconds. Lights are working. Car is on. Let me double check this one here, because it's under 7:30 seconds. Folks, that pretty much completes the tour. Once again, this is a 2016 Chrysler 300C all-wheel drive with 36,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy betting.